Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for continue supporting my work. I hope you guys are doing well during this pandemic. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to cook quinoa and what I use it in. So as you may know, quinoa is technically a seed, but classifies as a whole grain and is one of the world's most popular health foods. It is gluten-free, high in fiber and protein. It also contains sufficient amounts of essential amino acids as well as many types of vitamins. It is very beneficial in helping you in preventing and fighting against aging and diseases, but also in losing weight. And here I have organic quinoa that I bought from Costco, Kirtland brand. It cost me about 11 bucks for 4.5 pounds, which is about 2 kilograms. And I actually have two types. One that is a little bit darker, and I prefer the lighter one, as you can see right here, because it's milder in taste. And here's the brownish one. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I'm gonna heat up a small pot like this, add in a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm going to add in 1 cup of quinoa. Stir it around. This stuff will kind of bring out the nutty flavor in the quinoa, and I'm loving the smell it's bringing to my kitchen right now. And you can also hear the seeds popping, which is very fun. So as you can see, the color start to change to brownish color. So it's time to add in 2 cups of water. And we're gonna let it boil for a little bit. I'm gonna add in a pinch of salt for taste. Next, I'm gonna put the lid on and let it simmer at low heat in about 20 to 30 minutes. So after 20 to 30 minutes simmering, it becomes kind of fluffy, and this is the texture that we're looking for. So we're done. Really simple, right? So next I'm going to put this on a dish for it to cool down, and then I'll put it in my salad. So there are many ways that you can use quinoa with, and one of the best ways that I really like is to use it in my salad. And it's very convenient and healthy if you're on a diet as well. So right here I'm having a bowl of salad and some quinoa right here. So I'm just gonna add in about 3 tablespoons of quinoa to see how it goes, but it really depends on your preference. Yeah, I'll just add 1 more, 4 tablespoons. So that's good. I'm just gonna mix it up. So now it's all mixed in. I'm gonna give it a try. So I'm gonna say it doesn't change much of the flavor of the salad, and I think it's a really great add to your diet if you want to use it as a substitution for rice or bread. So now I'm just gonna finish the bowl and thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Take care, bye bye.